360 tutorial
video. Not one tutorial, but two.
You got medium texture and I got a coarse hair texture. That's how we're gonna show you how to brush the waves in the video right now.
Right now. Alright, first off, you wanna grab your brush. I'm gonna go with medium texture. Medium brush. I have medium texture waves, so this is for you medium texture wavers out there. You want to grab it and you want to start brushing from this angle. You want to start off from your weak side, that way you get used to brushing it. But if you start off on a good side, there's no point. You want to start off on your weakest side. So this is my weak side right here. You want to brush it down. And as you start brushing down, you want to start creeping up and start brushing forward. You want to get you a good 360 brush session. This is how you brush your hair with 360 waves. Medium texture. Brush it all the way down. Keep going. Keep this side going. And you want to switch hands. Brush it down. If you have a mirror, please pick up a mirror. That way you can see what are you doing. Brush it. See it? As I can see what I'm doing. And you want to switch hands. You don't have to switch hands, but it's easier for me. You want to brush all the way down. And you want to just go faster with it. Just boom, boom. And just keep brushing down because it's going to help your waves lay down. They're going to have a good texture and they're going to lay down. See, because I'm mixed. So I have medium mixed waves. So my hair, it's way different from my wave brother because he's a coarse hair waver. I'm a medium texture. So we have two good videos that you guys are going to see right now. But look, you just try to slick it down real good. Make sure everything's laid down. And you just want to keep brushing. You want to brush for about, I say 30 to 45 minutes to hit the brush session. And you want to bring it down. Alright,
I'm a coarse hair waver, so I'm gonna show y'all how to brush your hair for a coarse hair waver. So what you want to do is go ahead and grab your brush, Torino Pro, you know, get you a nice mirror, and make sure it's a mirror in your bathroom. Everybody should have that. And you brush for the front, you want to brush straight down. And then for your sides, what you want to do is you want to just get the mirror, come to your sides, and have brush straight down like that. Straight to the back. Now right now I don't got a crown because I just started working on my crown. So you want to just hit the brush strokes just like that. Straight down on the side, straight down from your crown. So you can start getting your crown so everything can swirl up. Then, as far as this side, this right here is my weak side. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really spend too much time on this side because I write with my left hand. Whatever hand you write with, that's gonna be your strong side. So this is my weak side because I don't write with my right hand, I write with my left. So you want to just take your time with your weak side. You want to grab your mirror, make sure you see your weak side. Boom. Get nice strokes. Nice strokes. Spend more time on your weak side. You see how I turned that brush like that? And I'm brushing like that. That's another way you can knock out forks. And you can get a brush session in and have your waves come in with no forks. Forks, something you don't want to have. But basically, forks is when your hair is not connected. If you don't have forks, then all your waves is connected a whole full 360. Now, as you can see, I don't have a crown right now. I'm working on it. I've been waving for like a year or two. I've been having waves, but I just started taking it serious 2018. So we're gonna have a crown by the end of this year. But that's basically how to brush your hair, man. And as y'all can see, it's a nice little collection I got right here, man. Of my wave brushes, grease, products. You're gonna get one of these, have that in your bathroom. Everything will look nice. When you're done brushing your hair, you're gonna put that like that. Set your mirror down. Grab one of your DURAGs and lay your hair down for the night. Throw your DURAG on and just lay your hair down, man. But that's basically how you brush your hair for a coarse hair waver. You basically just want to make sure you're hitting every point the right way. Every brush stroke, everything going the right way. Get you nice little 30-minute brush sessions in, and you're going to be waving like me.